So this is another example how to solve NFA to DFA. This is a given NFA. Here we are having 3 states and a possible combination of in DFA 2 power 3, 8 states possible. In this diagram we can refer this state transition diagram. We can draw the transition table. Already we know how to construct the transition table. And through the transition table we are going to find the combination of new subsets. Okay, so initially we are always start with the initial state Q naught, and as it is we need to find the transition A, B, C also. Q naught A, we are having Q naught only, but Q naught B we are having Q naught and Q1. Yes, and Q naught C null only, there is no transition. Here you have to check is it any new state is there. Okay, so this is already old one, this is also, then here this is null, here this is a new state. So next you have to start with new state. Okay, Q naught Q1. Again you have to check what is the transition of Q naught of A union Q1 of A. So Q naught comma Q1 of A, then you make it the union and find the transition Q naught of A here and Q1 of A. So it is a null combination of Q naught and null, we are getting Q naught. So like that we have to find all the transition, and again you are getting the transitions Q naught and Q1. Here Q naught Q1 A is we are getting Q naught alone, already is the old one, this is also old one, so this is only the new state we are getting. So as it is Q2 of A null and Q2 of B is also null and Q2 of C also null. Okay, we leave it. So how many states? Always will start with Q naught, and one more state is a new one, Q naught and Q1, and finally Q2. So through this transition diagram we can make it a DFA. So now we will ensure, yes. So here Q naught of A and Q naught of Q naught of A we are having only one transition, but B, Q naught of B Q naught and Q naught of B may be Q1. Yes, here not like that. Okay, Q naught of A, then Q naught to B. Here different input is there. Yes, but what is actually the language generated by this NFA? Any combination of A or B, it is entered with BC only. Okay, here also the same thing, we have to ensure any number of A's followed by any number of B's, but the string is entered with only BC. Okay, either this BC, otherwise this path also. Okay, here check this, here any number of A's and any number of B's definitely it will generate. The same thing here, any number of A's, here we are having the self loop, any number of B also, B A, B A, B A. Okay, and it may be null or it may be generate n number of B's. So automatically it will derive any number of A's followed by or any number of B's and entered with BC only. So this is a correct equivalent of NFA. Thank you.